Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the luxurious features of the South to East waterproof shower curtain, a heavy-duty, magnetic folding linen shower curtain that brings elegance and functionality to your bathroom. Crafted from a premium blend of linen and polyester, this curtain is non-toxic, odorless, and drapes naturally, providing a unique luxury feel while ensuring privacy with its dense, thick fabric. Thanks to the latest nanocomposite waterproof technology, this curtain keeps your bathroom dry by repelling water like a lotus leaf, eliminating the need for extra liners and saving you time and energy. Its elegant folding style, fixed into a fan shape, not only adds a touch of sophistication but also makes storage a breeze with the included black strap, keeping your bathroom bright and tidy. The unique magnetic splash guard, equipped with magnetic pin buttons and round iron pieces, ensures a snug fit against the wall, preventing water from splashing out and reducing your cleaning chores. With 14 stainless steel hooks, this eco-friendly curtain is perfect for various settings, from dorms and hotels to RVs and spas, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. Included in the package are 14 rust-proof grommets, 14 stainless steel hooks, 4 magnetic pin buttons, 4 round iron pieces, a user manual, and a strap, ensuring you have everything you need for a seamless installation. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.